Alright, here's the box of the Tecno Spark 4. The box looks more compact. This is slimmer than the Spark 3, if you recall. So we have some specs here that I'm already excited about. I can see a 4000 mAh big battery. There's a 13 megapixel triple AI camera, and I can't wait to see what's inside, guys. So here we go. So to the body of the Tecno Spark 4, this is a pretty sleek looking device, as you can see, way slimmer than the Spark 3, and it feels, even better holding. I noticed that the edges are softer and they're a bit more rounded and slimmer than the Spark 3, although it still retains the larger bezels at the lower part of the device. To the side of the device, the body of the device rather, you have the volume rocker and you have the power button. You have the speaker grill, the micro USB slots, and the 3.5mm jack, as well as the slot for the dual SIM. To the front of the device, there's a tiered dot notch which houses the front-facing camera, 8 megapixels to be precise. So on the back of the device, you have the fingerprint sensor and you have the AI triple camera, which I can't wait to try out since it's really new with the Spark device. And you have this very interesting blue gradient going on here. You have a darker shade at the top and a lighter shade at the bottom, which I think is pretty interesting. So time to turn on the device. So first things first, with the display of the Tecno Spark 4, I noticed that it's quite vibrant, and I can see that Tecno is really sticking to this C language universe design that they have going with their phones, which is present as well on the Tecno Spark 4. So I think the display is quite vibrant. I'll just put this on maximum level so I get the maximum feel of it. Straight up, I'm going to watch a video to see how this turns out. So trying out the display of the Spark 4 watching the movie Farming, I find the display quite interesting. I think the pictures are quite decent, even though I think it could be more vibrant. Playing the video game Asphalt, this is way brighter than the movie Farming because of all the colors, and I think this gives a better judgment of the device. But yeah. So moving on to the specs of the device, you have 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of ROM, 8 megapixel front-facing camera, 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus QVGA, which is the quarterly video graphics array for the rear camera. You have 4000 mAh worth of battery capacity, and the display is 720 by 1600 with a PPI of 269. So moving on to the AI big battery of 4000 mAh, I'm pretty excited about this, as the Spark 3 had a battery capacity of 3500 mAh. So this is a boost from the previous device. And there are smart power saving modes on the device, such as the AI smart power saving and app power consumption management. I did take some fire shots using the Tecno Spark 4, I would say that. And especially using the beauty mode, I was able to get some really decent shots. I liked the depth of the photo. You could see the separation from the background in taking these pictures. There's one where I'm flicking my hair just to show how the device captures this. I think the camera did really great, and this was using the front-facing camera, by the way. For the rear camera, I did the same thing, and I took pictures of a water bottle in separation of the background, and I think it came out really well. In conclusion, I would say that the Tecno Spark 4 is a pretty good deal for a price of 35,000 naira, considering that the predecessor, the Tecno Spark 3, didn't have an upgrading feature such as the 4000 mAh battery and an AI triple camera. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below.